What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing Crash Drive 2. Let's get moving. Tank battles. So, if you know about this game, it's easy to be good at, but I suck. So don't judge me. Please, just don't judge me. What just happened? Okay. I still have to taxi $12,000. I don't really play these levels. I'm only on level 3. I only got one more, but I don't know. See, I'm aiming to get Smasher tank. Where you at? I want this tank. Hopefully I'll get it. Yeah. No. I meant to do that, just so y'all. Boom. Bye-bye. Ooh. Get out of here. One tank battle. Doom. Kill him. I killed him. Yes, I killed him. I might die a couple times, guys. Oh, who else I killed? Ooh, I'm on the road today. Don't die. No! I'm killing him. It's official. I'm gonna kill that man. Yes, I killed him. iPad. Oh, y'all. I just bumped into him. No. Yes, I killed him. Oh, but you came up like me. Came in the wall like me. Can't set the wall like me. No, you can't do it like me. No. I'm going out swinging. Yes, I killed him. He killed me, but I killed him. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sick right now. I forgot I had nitro. Who trying to get me? No. Okay, don't die. No! Boom! 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 Maneuver. Come out on the other side. Can we come out on top of here? No, don't die. Had to kill me. Now today's your death day. No, he was stuck in the ground. I won. That's it, guys. Goodbye.